Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to remove background sound or music in Instagram Reels. To start the process, open your Instagram application on your mobile device. Then go to your profile. Now tap on the plus icon. Here, tap on Reels. To record a new reel, tap on the white button. Now tap on Next. Here, tap on Music icon. After that, tap on Controls. Now reduce the audio volume from 100 to 0. Then tap on Done. Now select any music from here. As you can see, your music has been removed. Then tap on Next. This is how you can remove background sound in Instagram Reels. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.